How to schedule shorts on your YouTube mobile app. So first you will need to open up the YouTube app, and then you should click on the plus button right here at the bottom, and then select the video or the short that you want to add. Click on the add button, and then select your video and click on it again and press next. And then you should be able to adjust the length of the video right here by adjusting the sliders on the sides, and then press done to move to the next step. Now you want to press next again, and then from this page you should be able to add a title to your thumbnail. If you click on the text next to the thumbnail, you can type a title for the short, and then if you press the pencil icon, you should be able to set a thumbnail for your short. So you can scroll and pick any frame of the video, and then press the confirm button on the top left or the top right. Now to schedule this post, you should click on visibility, which is this one right here. It says public. Click on it, and then you should expand the schedule category under it. Now you should pick a date and time. Click on the drop down, and for example select tomorrow, and then you can press OK, and now you can pick a time. So for example tomorrow 2 p.m. and 2 p.m. and 30 minutes, like this, 2 p.m. and a half. Press OK, and that's pretty much it. Now you want to go back and click on upload short, and it should be uploaded to YouTube, but only publish it to the public at that specified date. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.